So we built our campaign and the campaign level. We set up the targeting and the budget in the ad group level. And now we're at the ad level, which is the lowest level. Of course, you can still, again, build several ads within one ad group. And 2 ways of building an ad is choosing an existing post of your timeline, which is called a Spark ad, or creating a new ad. Interesting thing for the funnel approach is maybe to use the new ads, because then you don't have all the ads on your timeline. So you do want to have a specific content for each segment. So it's maybe a different message in each one, but they look alike. So you don't want to like put 9 of the same sort of videos on your timeline. So that's a good reason to create new ads. A Spark ad could be interesting if you want to have the engagement on your timeline, because for new ads that won't happen. So maybe gaining followers, creating interaction, that sort of stuff could be interesting from a Spark ad. But really building the funnel strategy where you like differentiate so much content and segments, then it could be interesting to create new ads. Well, what you need for an ad is a video creative, an ad display name, brand name, and an ad description, and a call to action if you add a destination. I will not be speaking about all the specification. It's in here, but if you Google them, you will find them quick as well.